Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to make your PC boot faster. If your computer feels sluggish during boot up, there is a simple pro setting that can significantly cut down waiting time. Because the fast startup is a hybrid power mode in Windows that saves a part of your system state to be the hard drive upon shutdown, allowing the PC to resume much faster than a cold boot. To enable this, you need to press the Window key and type Control Panel. And click on the Control Panel. Into the search bar, once the Control Panel app appears, click it to open the look for the power options. Click on that. So inside this menu, direct them to the left hand sidebar and click the link that says choose what the power button do. You will notice that the shutdown setting at the bottom are gray out. Here you can see that it is gray out. To fix this, you need to click on the shield icon at the top label, change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on that and make sure check the box for turn on fast startup recommended and click save settings. It should be checked and then save changes to apply. This small tweak is one of the most effective ways to boost daily productivity without upgrading hardware. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.